If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. It's the button right there. You can subscribe to check out other videos of mine. If you're returning, thank you for returning. And as you guys can tell, I've already done one eye, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I got that done. So starting off, I have the Juvia's palette, and the first shade that I'm going to apply is this yellow right here. So I'm using a eyeshadow, flat eyeshadow brush. It's the Morphe 124 brush, and I'm just gonna use that. I'm going to pat that on the top of my crease. Next, using my NYX professional makeup brush. It's a double-sided crease brush. I'm gonna use the compact side to apply the green shade in that same palette, this one right here. And again, when you're creating looks, you can always use the palettes that you have at home that are similar to the shades that I have. So I'm just gonna pat that in, blending it in. And today I'm kind of playing with all my palettes at once. Anytime you lose that first shade, you can always go back in and reapply. Next, using my Jaclyn Hill palette. This is the Volume 1 palette. I'm gonna use this shade right here. It's called Jada. And I'm just gonna use the other side of that NYX brush. And I'm gonna pat that in right next to the green. And these shades are kind of like your background to the eyeshadow look. So you don't need to apply it too many times. I kind of just apply my shades twice, and it's good enough to show the pigment. So next I'm going to apply this blue shimmer shade right here. If you do have a navy blue that is not a shimmer, that will work perfectly. I just don't have that, so I'm gonna use this instead. And I'm just using a flat eyeshadow brush, a basic flat eyeshadow brush. And I'm just gonna pat that in. And I'm gonna use this shade to kind of end those shades. And so I'm kind of gonna apply it the same way at the top, but I'm also gonna bring it in, making a V shape with the shade. I'm just gonna use my Ulta Beauty Matte Eye Primer. Since I want the eyeshadows to pop, I'm not gonna set this primer. I'm just gonna leave it wet. Just gonna pat that in, carving out my lid. And the reason why I'm using this flat head, because it helps with actually making a precise line around your crease, so you don't have that many mistakes. So I just go in like this with the brush end on my lid and carving like that. That's how you get the seamless cut crease. Pat it in to make it even. If you need more, pat that in just to make sure everything is even. And when you do the end over here, you want to get it kind of uneven. Applied, I'm using my Jaclyn Hill palette once again, and I'm getting this purple shimmer shade. Many palettes have a lot of shimmers, so this look should be easy, even if you don't have these. I'm just gonna use that flat brush that I used to put that blue on. I'm gonna flip it over, and I'm gonna apply the purple on the other side. And next, in in that same Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to apply this light blue shade right here. And the side that I used the purple on, I'm gonna kind of spread at the top. I'm going to wipe over some of that purple so we don't have it so even. Now using an eyelid brush, this is just a regular brush, I'm going to open up my Masquerade Mini by Juvia, and I'm going to use this green shade right here. And I'm just gonna pat that right by the blue. Now using my Morphe 213 brush, which is a smudge brush, just a small smudge brush. And the purpose of the smudge brush is to get those colors in your bottom lash line and also give you a smoky look. So on the bottom lash, I'm going to apply this green right here. And under that, I'm using a darker blue. Now, I'm going to take my concealer and clean up under my eye. Right, I'm going to apply my lashes and finish the rest of my face. And I will be right back.